Hey guys, welcome to this Android guide, and here I'll detail how to enable security search in Android. So if you want to use security search in your Android phone, so you can just press the navigation gesture, this, to enable security search, then circle anything and then have the result just like this. Then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily turn on this feature on your Android device. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to enable security search in Android, all you just need to do is go to your Android phone settings, and on settings space, scroll down and click on display or display and brightness. Then when you scroll down until you get to navigation. So if you couldn't find the navigation easily, you can just come to your Android phone settings here and then search for navigation bar. So this particular feature is under navigation bar on your Android phone. So go to navigation bar while on the display page and click on it. Then here, there's a feature called security search. So if this feature is disabled in your own case, you'll be able to use this navigation gesture as security search. Is this? But if you enable this, then press and hold navigation gesture, then choose the security search pulse. However, if you're using buttons, you'll still be able to use security search like this. So it doesn't count whether you're using button or you're using swipe gesture. Once you come here and enable security search on your Android phone, you'll be able to use it when the need arises. So you can use it on any application or any platform. So that is basically how to enable security search in Android. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.